and welcome back to Not Too Late Natural Hair. I'm Lisa. Well, it's a rainy day today, and what perfect day then to do a hair mask. As you can tell, I cut off all of my blonde hair. Oh yeah, so it's everything. It's still a little bit of strands of blonde in here, and guess what, some gray as well. So anyway, it's a perfect time. I didn't film that one, but today's a perfect time to do the hair mask. As you saw in the previous clips, I added an avocado, 1 egg, olive oil, mayonnaise, and upstairs, I came upstairs and got the argan oil and the castor oil. Okay, so I'm just gonna plaster this. That's why I'm kind of like wearing this. And I just brought the spoon up here so I can mix it. But other than that, I'm just going to dive right in, and it feels so soft on my hands. Oh yeah. You know, this is also a great pudding minus the mayonnaise. I think Kourtney Kardashian, I've tried it before. Kourtney Kardashian has a avocado pudding, which I'm not really a pudding person, but I made it a couple of times and it's so good. Avocado, coconut oil, and I think you can add, I substituted a lot of stuff, but the main ingredients is avocado and coconut oil. Yeah, so I just blended this all up together because I didn't want the avocado to come out in chunks. And I'm doing this hair mask because I want to give my hair some moisture. Guys, I've been so busy, and you're going to find out soon why I've been so busy. But yeah, today's a perfect day to do this. But it's rainy. Well, actually, it's a perfect day to be in bed. But I figure I might as well do this. And it's quick, it's easy. Almost finished here. And I'm just gonna massage it in when I'm finished. Put on my my plastic cap. Okay, I'm all done. I'm just gonna massage it in. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this stay on for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it out, quick and easy. So like I said before, I've done hair masks on this channel before. So this one, I'm trying these ingredients. Use what you have in your cupboard, in your pantry, and see how it works on your hair, and comment down below and let me know what you use. Okay, I'll be back when the time is up. Okay, so it's been way over, I think I just got caught up doing stuff, and so I think it's been over, it's exactly an hour. So I'm gonna rinse it out right now. Okay. Okay, so I just rinsed out my hair. I'm still dripping. So this is how it looks. As you can tell, it really defines my curls as well. I haven't even shampooed and conditioned it yet. This is just the hair treatment. All right, guys, so my hair feels moisturized and it looks good. Oh yeah. So that's it for this video on doing the hair mask. Right now, what I'm gonna do is just shampoo it and deep condition it and probably just do a wash and go because I have to go. And I'll probably do another video. My next video will be me trying out to blow dry out my hair, because I want to blow dry it out because I want to still clip some more of the ends and get some more of the blonde out. And why did I decide to cut off my blonde now? One, we're still going through this COVID and pandemic, and second of all, I have no money to go to the, well, yeah, I have no money to spend on to go to the hairdresser right now, because my money is doing this new venture thing that you'll soon find out about. And not only that, it's not even about the money, it's that I am not going to sit down there for hours with a mask on and in a closed environment. Sorry, I'm not ready yet. You know what I mean? You feel me on that? So can I do the color myself? Yeah, when I was younger, and my birthday's coming up. So yeah, when I was younger, yeah. Now I just don't have the time, and maybe, you know, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm just rambling. And guys, just remember, it's not too late to mix up your hair mask, try different ingredients, and see what it does to your hair. Okay guys, I still miss my blonde, still love my blonde, but I love my own hair even more. Okay, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, so anyway guys, until next time, peace, love, bye.